Okay, John Geekie Art, yet another Pochade box, and I think this is about the last one I'm going to do for a while. I came across some melamine faced MDF board, and so I've used this in this one. I thought, first of all, it can be for the base and it can be for the top, but it could also be for the inside palette. So I've made this one. So here we have a hinge down lid as usual. The hinge isn't fitted to this yet, but it will go at the side here. It'll be a pasteboard hinge. But I wanted to show you this arrangement. This is the palette, but this time I'm instead of making the palette removable, I've hinged it at the top there, because I think really when I'm in the field I can just simply lift this up, have the paintbrushes in the centre section where that green spirit level was, which is only temporary by the way, and you can see a couple of blocks there. The canvases will rest on those blocks so that I can get my finger underneath to lift them out easily enough. And you can see the two pins in the side there. There's two sets of pins which will allow two canvases to fit in the lid. The front lifts up like this. I've got the stoppers for sitting it on underneath and at the side, as you saw there. And it's quite an interesting little design. I think I'm going to be quite pleased to use this one. One thing which I added to this particular box was a little clip at the side. It's a hidden hinge clip here. It's the sort of thing you get for bookshelf hinges, and I thought if I did put something like this at the side, what I can do is I can attach my water carrier, which will also house the tubes of paint. So I'll empty the tubes of paint out, I'll put another clip on here, and these two clips interlock and normally would hold the shelf up, but here I'm just using one to hold the water. So I'll have the board set up on the tripod, and then I'll put this on the side, put water inside it, and I think I'll do something similar at the other side for paintbrushes, or I might just try to manage holding the paintbrushes. But this is a slightly different design from my usual Pochade box, but I'm going to give it a try. I've used lighter section wood for the frame of the box, so that's enabled me to make it slightly smaller. So there you go, hope that helps.